Every time you want to build a local AI agent that can fetch real-time information from internet, it immediately hits a massive wall because the social media platforms simply block your scrap bots or your server APIs. But in this video, I'm going to be using the Agent Reach tool and its latest updates and build my own local AI engine that can convert any YouTube video into an SEO blog automatically. Hello everyone and welcome back to Build with AI series, where I cover local and free AI tools to build practical AI projects on consumer hardware. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Agent Reach tool, which can give your AI agents one-click access to the entire internet completely free of cost. It handles finding the absolute most reliable access path for each platform that you need by using the tool which are chosen and installed and also health checked by this tool for you. And the best part is that even if the individual backend tools come and go, this tool will automatically replace them with alternatives, so you won't notice anything in your AI projects. So why should we use this tool? We all know that the most valuable information about any news live across the social media and niche platforms. Every time there is a new news, the Twitter will discuss it first, Reddit will give their feedbacks, YouTube will have tutorials for them, there will be reviews and videos on different websites, and also there will be a GitHub activity if it is a technical tool. And all these sources are where exactly the information density is highest. But the issue is that each of these platforms have their own barriers. For example, Twitter is locked behind an API which it provides as a pay-per-use mode, where if you use this API for a month, the approximate cost would be $215, while for Reddit, if we hit their APIs, you will get this 403 forbidden errors. A Chinese article website requires a login to browse, and the video platforms also just block their overseas usage. So to connect your AI agents to all of these platforms, you need to find all the tools dependencies one by one. But with Agent Reach, you just need to use this simple command, install this tool into your system, and just a few minutes later, it can read everything from tweets, Reddit, or even watch the Bilibili platform. And if you want to update this agent, you can also use the simple command, and all of the tools and dependencies will be automatically updated. The best part about this tool is that it is completely free. All the tools that are being used by this project are open source, all of the APIs are free, and if you are using a local computer, you don't even have to pay for the server proxy cost. And all of your cookies and history will stay local, so there will be complete privacy. Nothing will ever get uploaded to any servers, and all the codes and tools are open source, so you can audit and check them anytime. And in their latest update, they have also added this routing feature, where if the primary tool is not working for any scrapping, there will be a backend fallback list which the tool will automatically fetch, so your code never breaks. And you won't even notice this change. For example, in June, Bilibili blocked this yt-dlp library, and the tool automatically switched to the Billy CLI tool with zero action required on our side. And if we talk about integration, you can integrate this tool with any agent like Cloud Code, OpenClaw, Cursor, or Windsurf. And if the tool runs into any issue or errors, you can just directly run Agent Reach Doctor, and it will automatically find what is working, what is not working, and how to fix all the issues. And this tool supports all kind of platforms like web reading. On Twitter, it can read the tweets and also search them. On LinkedIn, it can read the public pages. On GitHub, it can do the read and also search the repos. On YouTube also, it can read the transcripts of the video and also search them. And there are all kind of other platforms also like RSS for news that this tool is supporting. To quick start this tool in a multiple AI agents, you just need to run simple commands. Like in OpenClaw, you can just enable the execution before installing this Agent Reach tool by just using this simple command, and once Agent Reach installs, it will automatically be integrated with the OpenClaw tool. Now I'm going to install this in my own system by using these same kind of installation steps. For my coding environment, I'm going to be using Google Antigravity. If you don't have it installed, just go to antigravity.google/download and download the installer according to your platform. But you can follow along the same steps if you are using some other IDs like Cursor, Windsurf, or VS Code. And for my local AI brain, I'm going to be using Ollama. If you don't have it installed, just go to ollama.com/download and download the installer according to your platform. And once you are in your ID, just go to the file menu and open any folder on your system as the current project directory. Then you can copy the code file and follow along the readme file. I'll be putting both of them in the GitHub link in description and pinned comments, so you can copy them and modify according to your needs. Then the app I'm building right now is built using the Streamlit library from Python, which can take any YouTube URL as input and then use the Agent Reach tool, which in turn uses the yt-dlp tool to download the full video transcript without needing any YouTube API keys. And the script will extract all the timestamps from that transcript and produce the clean plain text that is spoken in the video. Then I'm going to send that transcript text to a local Ollama model, and the model will finally output a fully structured SEO blog post with complete descriptions, headers, and bullet points. In the whole project, there are no API costs involved, no rate limits. In the whole project, there are no API costs involved, there are no rate limits, and no data will ever leave your machine. For the dashboard logic, I built this app.py file, which will take the Q1 2.5 coder model, which is just a tiny 1.5 billion parameter model, and run it on the local URL of Ollama. And then the system instruction for this AI model is that it is an SEO blog writer, and when given a YouTube transcript, it has to write a structured blog post with a meta description, a heading title, heading 2 kind of sections, bullet points, and a final conclusion. The SEO post should sound human and it shouldn't mention the transcript that is given in the video. Then first we need to extract the transcript from the YouTube video using the yt-dlp library. So using the command of this yt-dlp and the URL that I will be giving as the YouTube video, I will be passing on this full command to the subprocess library in Python. And once I get the result, I will be saving this to the transcript.vtt file and return the file from this function. Then we need to parse that transcript to find all the pure text and the timestamp separately. So for that, this parse vtt function will be used, which will open the same vtt file here, then read it line by line by removing all the white spaces. And if the line is starting with a web vtt, and if the line in that transcript is starting with web vtt or an arrow, it means that it is a line header or a timestamp. So for all those kind of lines, I will just skip them. Otherwise, I will remove all the kind of tags that are there in the transcript, append the clean line into this lines list, and return it as a string using the .join command. Now once I have the clean script, I need to generate the blog report. So the model will be the Q1 2.5 model that I have defined above. You can just simply change the parameter on top if you have some other models installed in your system. Then in the system prompt, I will be giving the same system parameter that I have defined on top, and in the user prompt, I will be passing on the transcript text. Then using the request library, I'm posting this request to the Ollama URL, and whenever I'm getting a response from the model, I'll be returning this using this yield command. Because the output will be generated in line by line stream, that's why we have to use the yield command here, not the return command, because the return command just exits a function from the first print. And in case if we get any error, let's say there is a connection error to the AI server, it will mean that Ollama is not running, and we should start it with the Ollama serve command in the terminal. And the other error can be API error related to the yt-dlp library. Now all the main functions are ready. We just need to build the final dashboard using the Streamlit library. So I've defined the page title here, which is YT to SEO blog. Then there will be a main heading, which is 0 API YouTube to SEO blog engine, with a subtitle that it is using agent reach yt-dlp plus Ollama model, and there are no YouTube API keys needed. Then we can paste any YouTube URL here, which will have an example which is looking like this. And once the user clicks the generate SEO button, we'll first get the transcript in the VTT form. If we don't get any VTT file, it means that there are no subtitles found. The video may not have the auto captions generated by YouTube, and we'll just return from the function. Otherwise, we'll pass that VTT to convert it into a clean transcript. And once we get the transcript, we'll pass that to the generate block function and write the final generated block in the Streamlit dashboard directly. And whenever we call this file, we'll just call this main function that we have defined here. Now the full logic is ready. We just need to launch the dashboard. So just go to the terminal and run the simple streamlit run app.py command, and in the browser your dashboard will be automatically launched. We can also deploy this to a website with this simple deploy button, as Streamlit supports direct deployment of any kind of dashboard that you build with it. For now, I'm going to give it a URL of one of my earlier videos, and to generate the blog, I'll just click on this generate SEO blog button. And now it has downloaded the transcript and it is generating the SEO blog like you can see here live, and it has just finished the generation in just seconds. So you see it has given the description correctly that I built a video of full transparency of AI systems with a repository which leaked all the hidden rules and the system prompts from the major tech companies, and using it I had built my own prompt battle dashboard with the different system instructions from Claude Fable 5, GPT or Gemini models. Then it has given the instruction that what is this Claritask library, which is a massive open source repository containing the full extracted system prompts from major AI models. Then it has given the main goal, how it is working, what are the benefits, how we can build our own dashboard, and what is the final conclusion of the video. So it has given me this nice SEO blog which I can directly place on any of the blog websites, and everything is done fully local without using any API fees. So this can be set up as a direct pipeline for any YouTube video to generate a quick blog for it and directly post it on the websites. And everything was handled by the agent reach tool, completely handling the rerouting of all the APIs, so I don't have to care about doing anything manually. So that was it for this demo. All the source code and the readme file will be available in the GitHub link in description and pinned comments, so you can directly grab them and get started with the project easily. Let me know in comments if you have some suggestions for me to build more local AI projects, and follow the channel for more such AI builds, updates and workflows.